What do you know about seaweed? Seaweed is not an animal, but it's also not exactly like land plants. Scientifically, seaweed belongs to the group algae, a very diverse group of organisms that includes both unicellular species and giant multicellular ones, such as kelp, which can grow tens of meters long. Some characteristics of seaweed: similar to plants, it contains chlorophyll and performs photosynthesis to produce oxygen and organic matter, different from plants. Seaweed does not have true roots, stems, or leaves. Instead, it only has structures resembling roots, called holdfasts, that anchor it to rocks or the seafloor. Not animals, because they do not have a nervous system, digestive organs, or the ability to move like animals. Seaweed belongs to the kingdom Protista, or the group algae. It is not classified strictly as either a plant or an animal, but it is closer to plants due to its ability to photosynthesize. Now let's explore together 15 super interesting facts about seaweed. Number 1. Abundance. It is estimated that seaweed and oceanic microalgae make up about 9/10 of the plant-like biomass on Earth. Most of the world's oxygen, around 70%, comes from seaweed and other microalgae. The reproductive efficiency of seaweed is 6 to 10 times higher than intensive agricultural systems on land. It is estimated that microalgae and seaweed in the oceans outnumber terrestrial vegetation by a factor of 9. 2. Texture. While most known seaweeds appear soft, some species can be extremely rigid. Some red algae are as hard as stone. They are commonly called coralline algae because their cell walls contain calcium carbonate, the same substance that makes up coral and the shells of most mollusks. Number 3. Growth rate. Seaweed ranks among the fastest growing organisms on the planet. Under optimal conditions, the giant kelp, also known as Macrocystis pyrifera, can grow nearly 1 meter per day and reach extreme lengths of over 50 meters. 4. Primary production. Along with seaweed, microscopic algae known as phytoplankton and macroalgae form almost all primary production in the oceans. This means that most of the organic matter and oxygen produced in the oceans come from these two groups of algae, which form the foundation of marine food chains. Number 5. Not a plant. Strictly speaking, seaweed is not a true plant. Only green algae are classified as plants. Like all plants, however, most algae and seaweeds depend on sunlight for energy through photosynthesis. Some scientists even argue that red algae deserve their own kingdom, distinct from other algae, since they are the only algae and the only plants on Earth with 3 distinct stages in their life cycle. Number 6. Nutrients. Seaweed absorbs minerals directly from seawater and is considered one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Rich in trace elements and vitamins, many types of seaweed even contain more protein than meat and more calcium than milk. Number 7. Ocean weed. In English, we use the word seaweed, but calling it ocean weed is completely inaccurate. Even though we often cannot smell or taste it, many ingredients in our foods and household products come from algae and seaweed. Number 8. Part of human diet. Seaweed has been part of the human diet since prehistoric times. Countries such as Japan, Korea, Scotland, Ireland, New Zealand, Pacific Islands, and coastal South America have used seaweed for centuries. There are more than 10,000 known species of edible seaweed, and most of them have been consumed by humans at some point in history. Number 9. Nutrient-rich food. Seaweed is a nutrient-rich food. Seaweed contains carbohydrates, fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, calcium, and vitamin B2. Because of this, in ancient times, seaweed was considered a luxury food offered to kings to promote health and stamina. Number 10. Seaweed in Japan. In Japan, seaweed has a long history. The Japanese mainly use 3 types of seaweed: string-like forms, flat sheet forms, and transparent gelatinous forms. The Japanese consume large quantities of seaweed, primarily nori and kombu, as an essential part of traditional dishes such as sushi, miso soup, and pickles. The consumption of seaweed in Japan dates back to the 7th century when it was initially used as a seasoning. By the Heian period, seaweed had become an integral part of Japanese cuisine. Number 11, alginates. Alginates are natural polymers extracted from brown algae that have a wide range of applications in various industries. One of the most significant uses of alginates is in the food industry, where they are used as a thickener and stabilizer. For example, alginates are used in the production of ice cream to improve its texture and prevent it from melting too quickly. They are also used in the dairy industry to stabilize products like whipped cream and yogurt. Additionally, alginates are used in the production of sauces and gravies to thicken them and prevent separation. Number 12, carrageenan. Carrageenan is a natural polysaccharide extracted from red algae that is widely used in the food industry as a thickening and stabilizing agent. It is commonly used in the dairy industry to stabilize milk-based products such as ice cream and whipped cream. Carrageenan is also used in the production of soups and stews to thicken them and prevent them from separating. It is also used in the meat processing industry to bind ingredients together and improve the texture of processed meats. Moreover, carrageenan is used in the pharmaceutical industry as a stabilizer in liquid medications. Number 13, agar. Agar is a natural polysaccharide derived from red algae that is widely used in the food and scientific industries. In the food industry, agar is used as a gelling agent in products such as jellies and puddings. It is also used in the production of low-fat or fat-free versions of sour cream and other dairy products to give them a thicker consistency. In the scientific community, agar is used as a solidifying agent in the preparation of culture media for growing microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Agar's ability to solidify at a specific temperature and remain solid over a wide range of temperatures makes it an ideal solidifying agent for culture media. Number 14, chondroitin sulfate. Chondroitin sulfate is a natural polysaccharide found in the cartilage of many animals, including humans. However, it is also produced by some types of algae, such as red algae. The chondroitin sulfate produced by algae is similar in structure to that found in animal cartilage and is used in various industries, including pharmaceuticals. Chondroitin sulfate is used in the treatment of osteoarthritis and other joint disorders. It is also used in the cosmetic industry as an ingredient in anti-aging creams and other skincare products. Number 15, fucoidan. Fucoidan is a natural polysaccharide found in brown algae and has a wide range of potential health benefits. One of the most significant uses of fucoidan is in the pharmaceutical industry. Fucoidan has anti-cancer properties and is being investigated as a potential treatment for various types of cancer. It is also known for its anticoagulant properties and is used in the treatment of blood clotting disorders. Fucoidan is also used in the food industry as a natural thickener and stabilizer. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.